Ever feel like your bank account is a leaky bucket? You work hard for your money, but then mysterious charges and hidden fees siphon it all away. Frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there's a new way to bank, one that prioritizes transparency and keeps your hard-earned cash exactly where it belongs, in your pocket? That's where Neon comes in. It's a digital bank designed for the modern world, offering a fuss-free and fee-friendly banking experience. Intrigued? Let's dive into how you can ditch the traditional banks and open a Neon account in under 10 minutes, all from your phone. But first, are you eligible? Before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room: residency. Neon is currently only available to residents of Switzerland. But hey, if you're planning a move to that beautiful country, this video might just come in handy. Alright, let's get you set up. Opening a Neon account is a breeze. Here's what you'll need. Your smartphone. This is your gateway to your Neon account, so make sure it's charged and ready to go. A valid ID, passport or Swiss ID will work perfectly. Foreigner's permit, if applicable. If you're not a Swiss citizen, you'll need to have your permit B or C handy. A stable internet connection. Downloading the app and verifying your identity will require a good internet signal. Downloading the app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Neon Your Account app. Once you find it, download and launch the app. Filling up your info. The app will greet you with a friendly interface. Follow the on-screen instructions and fill in your personal details. Make sure everything is accurate, as this information will be used to verify your identity. Choosing your account type. Neon offers 3 account options: Neon Free, Neon Green, and Neon Metal. Here's a quick breakdown. Neon Free. This is the basic, free of charge account. Perfect for everyday banking needs and managing your finances. Neon Green. For a small monthly fee, you get additional features like priority customer support and higher withdrawal limits. Neon Metal. This premium account comes with all the perks of Neon Green, plus a sleek metal debit card for those who want to add a touch of style to their banking. Verification time. Now comes the cool part: identity verification. Neon takes security seriously, so they'll need to confirm it's really you opening the account. You can choose between 2 methods. Photo ID. Take a clear picture of your ID document following the app's instructions. Video call. If you prefer a more personal touch, you can opt for a quick video call with a Neon representative. They'll just need to see your ID and ask you a few questions. The waiting game, but not for long. Once you've completed the verification process, Neon will take a couple of business days to review your application. Don't worry, they'll keep you updated via email. Welcome to the Neon family. If all goes well, you'll receive a confirmation email letting you know your account is active. Shortly after, your snazzy Neon debit card will arrive in the mail, along with your PIN for secure access. And there you have it. You're now the proud owner of a Neon account. Start exploring the app, transferring money, making payments, and experiencing the joy of a transparent and fee-friendly banking experience. Neon, your money, your way. Whether you're a budgeting pro or just starting your financial journey, Neon offers a refreshing alternative to traditional banking. With its user-friendly app, transparent fees, and focus on innovation, Neon empowers you to take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.